Hello students. So in English grammar, today's topic is articles. An article is a word used to modify a noun which is a person, place, object or idea. So what is an article? Articles are basically the demonstrative adjectives whose main function is to describe the nouns whether they are definite or indefinite. So students, articles can be divided into two types. One is indefinite, another is definite. Indefinite articles are a and definite article is the. Students, indefinite articles are a and n are indefinite articles. These articles are used for singular nouns. It means that the nouns must be countable and singular. These are used in the sense of one or any. These can be used only with nouns, not with any other parts of speech, right? So students, let's talk about the first indefinite article, which is A. A is used with singular and countable nouns whose first alphabet letter has a consonant sound. Unfortunately, sometimes we consider letters of English alphabets as consonants or vowels. Vowels and consonants are just sound, not letters. So dividing the alphabet on the basis of vowels and consonants is a blunder. In reality, there are 26 letters, students, 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonants. It means that one letter may make more than one sound. Okay? So now we are going to take some examples so this part is more clear to you. So friends, there are some examples. First is a boy. B is a consonant sound, right? Boy. So that's why we are using here before boy a. Next example is a dog. D is a consonant sound, right? That's why we are using here a. Third example is a human being. So human being, H is a consonant sound. Don't focus on the alphabets, only focus with the sound portion, right? Next one is a university. So the sound of university is university, right? I'm repeating 3 times. So it is also having consonant sound. That's why we are using here A. The second indefinite article, we all know about this one, which is an. So when to use n? C. It is used with words whose first letters have vowel sound. I'm repeating again my sentence. It is used with words whose first letters have vowel sound. So students, see these some examples of an indefinite article. So the first example is an ampy. So an ampy. Ampy. So a. What is the sound there? A. So a sound is a vowel sound. That's why we are using before ampy n. Next example is an LLB. Here is also a sound a. So that's why it is a kind of vowel sound. So we are using here n. We do the same thing with the third example, which is an ox. So o. O is a vowel sound. Ox, right? So we are using before ox and. So students, next is definite article, which is the. So when we are using the, it is used when we talk about things which are only one of their kinds in the world, right? And when we speak about particular person or thing, we are using the when a singular countable noun is mentioned for the first time. A or an is used before it, but when it is mentioned for a second time, the is used before it. When we are using the, it is used before the superlative degree of adjectives always. Okay, and the is used before the name of compressed direction, mountain range, newspapers, seas and oceans, historical buildings, holy books, rivers. Okay. So students, in article part, the very important topic is omission of article. It means there are certain situations when certain nouns do not follow articles, whether it is definite or indefinite. So we can say there are many nouns before which no article is used. I am explaining some of the points so it will clear to you. First point is before the names of games like cricket, hockey, football, we are never using any kind of an article. Before the names of language like Hindi, English, Punjabi. And the third point is before the names of vehicles like bus, train, we are not using any of the article. Fourth one is before proper noun. Like proper noun means like name of person, name of countries, name of towns, name of universities, name of days of week, or we can say name of the months like January, March, etc. We are never using article. So students, this is all about articles. If you are having any problem or any doubts, so go through with this video again and again, clear your doubts and do the practice exercise, okay? And there are some kind of fill in the blanks and another things, so you can do by yourself. And if you are having any more problems, so you can discuss with me also. Thank you.